are here in Prabhasa Kshetra. It is one of the three main tirthas in the universe. ഈ പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിലുള്ളതിൽ വെച്ച് ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനമുള്ള 3 തീർത്ഥങ്ങളിൽ ഒന്നാണ്. There are 3 main tirthas. One is Prayag, second is Pushkar, and third is Prabhas. These 3 tirthas are the most important tirthas in the whole universe. പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിലെ വെച്ച് ഏറ്റവും പ്രാധാന്യം അർഹിക്കുന്ന 3 തീർത്ഥസ്ഥാനങ്ങളാണ് പ്രയാഗ്, പുഷ്കർ and Prabhas. And we are here in Prabhasa Kshetra. നമ്മൾ പ്രഭാസ ക്ഷേത്രത്തിൽ കൂടിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Many rivers come and join. പല പല പുണ്യ നദികൾ ഒരുമിച്ച് ചേരുന്ന സംഗമമാണ്. So the Sangam place is very very important. More than a river. നദിയേക്കാളും പ്രാധാന്യം അർഹിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഇതുപോലത്തെ സംഗമം. The first river is Hiranya. The river, a branch of Ganga called Hiranya flows here. The second one is Kapila. Third is Gomati. Fourth is Saraswati. And fifth, you can see the ocean on the other side. Actually, you can see the small hillock. It's a small island kind of thing. This island is extended, it goes on like that, but right now it is covered by water. Between the ocean and this river, there is a small patch of land. Samudrathinum nadikku nadukku sthalam undu, but that's completely covered and it looks one now. But the ocean is on the other side. Ocean is coming and in front of the ocean rivers are flowing. It is a very very unique thing like that. So this is a very very important place. And Somnath, this temple which we are going to go after this, Someshwar Mahadev temple, is Somnath Kshetram. The temple was there even when Krishna was ruling Dwaraka. Sri Krishna Bhagavan Dwaraka barichondinna samayate ee Someshwar Somnath Kshetra undu. The temple is very very olden, and this temple was in one way renovated by Krishna himself. ഭഗവാൻ തന്നെ ദ്വാരകയിൽ ചക്രവർത്തിയായിരുന്ന സമയത്ത്, when he was ruling Dwaraka, he built a wooden temple for Someshwarji. സോമനാഥ് മഹാദേവന് വേണ്ടി അദ്ദേഹം തടി കൊണ്ട് വുഡ് കൊണ്ടുള്ള ഒരു ക്ഷേത്രം പണിതു. Who constructed? Krishna himself constructed. So this temple, Someshwar Mahadev temple, is a very very old temple even before the times of Krishna. ഭഗവാൻ ദ്വാപരയുഗത്തിൽ വരുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ തന്നെ ഈ സോമനാഥ് ക്ഷേത്രമുണ്ട്, right? And this is the Prabhasa Kshetra. After the Kurukshetra battle, Krishna came with all his queens and children. ഭഗവാൻ തന്റെ പുത്രന്മാരും പത്നിമാരെയും എല്ലാം വിളിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വന്നിട്ട് he has taken dip in Prabhasa Kshetra and he has taken darshan of Somnath ji. സോമേശ്വരനെ ദർശനമെടുക്കുകയും ഈ പുണ്യതീർത്ഥത്തിൽ സ്നാനം ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്തു. Then Krishna killed all his children and grandchildren here. ഭഗവാൻ വന്ന് സ്വന്തം മക്കളെയും ചെറുമക്കളെയും അത്ര പേരെ ഇവിടെ കൊന്നുകുഴിച്ചു. He killed all his children. He had 16,108 wives. Each wife had a 10 boy and a girl. He had all his children, and Krishna and Balaram, they came over here and killed all of them. We will be explaining all those things later, why he killed, what happened and all. But he killed all his children and everything, and finally Krishna took a dip and he left this planet. So from this area, we'll be going to the exact spot. But from here, Krishna finished his Leela and he went back to Goloka from this place. So this holy place is called Prabhasa Kshetra because many many holy rivers come and merge here in the ocean, in the Arabian Sea. So Krishna, Lord Ramachandra, they all have come here and taken dip, and this place is protected by Someshwar Mahadev. It is a gorgeous, beautiful temple mistakenly constructed by the government of India. When in 1950, when India got republic, they had a constitutional law that all the temples which were attacked by Aurangzeb and the Mughal kings, should be renovated from the funds of Indian government. ഭാരതത്തിന്റെ സർക്കാരിന്റെ കാശ് കൊണ്ട് എല്ലാ ക്ഷേത്രങ്ങളും പുനരുദ്ധാരണം ചെയ്യണം എന്ന ഒരു പ്രത്യേക നിയമം. There was a law, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel instituted this law, and this was the first and the last temple constructed by the government with the government fund. ഇതാണ് ആദ്യത്തെയും അവസാനത്തെയും ടെമ്പിൾ. Gorgeous temple. In 1950 they have spent 60 crores and constructed. Government did that in 1950. Beautiful temple of Someshwar, Somnath Ji, and the deity was personally worshipped by Krishna. ഭഗവാൻ തന്നെ നേരിട്ട് ആരാധിച്ചതാണ് സോംനാഥ് ജി.